Quiet on the set, please.
I don't want to be here while he's opening it. Because I want it only to be his face. Are we good?
We're rolling.
Okay. So here we are. The day has come.
It finally has, yeah.
What are we looking at here, Kyle?
Magic sparkles.
Magic sparkles.
Yep.
Can you be more technical?
Well, it's a square device that makes sparkles, and it turns into images in my computer.
Can you tell them what it is? Like what it actually is besides magic sparkles? Can you just tell them the name of the thing?
This is a Scarlet-X from Red Cinema. That's
Wow.
what it's from. Yeah.
It's a big day for you.
Yeah, it's a pretty big day for me.
I'm going to let you open this. You know, just enjoy the moment.
Yeah.
It's about you, man. It's about you.
So I guess I'll check the invoice. Just make sure that.
No, you're not. Just open it.
Yeah, it's paid.
Oh, good.
It's a good. You know, that's. I'm glad they told me it's paid. I mean, I feel that that's important.
You almost cut a check. You gotta believe it.
What's that?
Tape of the gods. So I have to admit, this is pretty exciting.
Sure.
Yeah, this is my germ.
Pull it out.
Alright.
That's a $90.
It's pretty exciting.
You do?
A lot of people, some people care about it.
It's official. Why is that? Oh wow.
So
It is a square.
$7.49.
Oh, okay.
$7.49.
$7.49.
Kyle, how does this compare to the birth of your child?
Well, I think I cried when Riley was born. Yeah.
And now you're gonna fall.
Yeah.
Break down here.
It's crazy how small it is compared to like,
That doesn't seem real.
right?
Here's the ending shot for your picture right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.